Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create notes on a video itself. So you're basically creating notations on the video on your Samsung S25 Ultra with your S Pen. So let's say, for example, you're watching a video which is a presentation or maybe a slideshow of a certain subject, and you want to make some notes of yours. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar, bring down the quick panel. From here, find screen recorder, which is right here. Now you're going to go ahead and tap start recording. This will give you a countdown. Go ahead and press play and then enable the notation. Now here you can go ahead and make your recording, and you can also make your notes. And then once you're done, tap stop. And now when you view your recording back, you can see all your notations on the video itself, like this. So there you go, guys. That is how to create notations on a video using your Samsung S25 Ultra using your S Pen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.